How to enable character voice in Character AI. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to enable character voice in Character AI. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Character AI application on your device and make sure you are signed in. If not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now after you have logged in, go ahead and tap on the Create button you see on the bottom center of your screen. You will then see the option for character. Tap on that. So the first thing that you have to do is name your character. So go ahead and enter a name in the text box you see there. Your name can include first and last name. Once entered, tap on next. You will then be asked to upload a photo for your profile. So upload the photo now itself and keep it for later and tap on next. You will now be required to create a greeting. So go ahead and create your greeting, or you can also tap on Generate It For Me button and Character AI will generate the greeting for you. Once your greeting is ready, tap on Next. Now go ahead and select the visibility. You can choose to keep it public or unlisted or private depending on your preference. Next, choose if you want a remixable account or protected account. If you choose remixable, others can view the definition and use it as a template for their own characters. Once done, tap on Next, and now if you want, you can enable image generation for your character by simply tapping on the image generation checkbox you see there. You can also add subtitle, add description, and add character definition. Once done, tap on the Create button you see there, and with this, your character has been created. Now tap on the three dots you see on the top right of your screen below your profile name. Here you can make further changes to your profile. You will also see the option for select voice. Tap on that and you will now see various voices you can select from. You can also search for a particular voice by tapping on the search bar. Simply tap on the voice you want and then tap on the select voice option at the bottom and the voice will be enabled. So this is how you can enable character voice in Character AI. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.